Today we are going to see the Morcellator, how to operate. The frame of this, it is the body of the machine is. With this we'll be giving you reverse forward switch, will be giving you the handpiece and a 10 mm 10 and instrument will be giving you. This is the back portion of the machine where you have to insert the mains cord. At the machine panel you will be getting two port of foot switch. One is with the 3 pin and the other is with the 2 pin. The foot switch what we had given you with the machine foot switch is having 3 pin hole which you have to join it to the machine accordingly and twist it properly. At the handpiece, the same you have to connect 2 pin connection to the handpiece and the other 2 pin to the machine. The handpiece which is provided, this is the card. The Gynecology instrument is there which you have to insert it into the handpiece and you can operate it accordingly. Now in this instrument you can find, now we are putting on the machine, you will find the off mode at the window. Put on the machine, you can increase or decrease the speed accordingly. Now in this instrument you can see a cutter here which will be rotating left and right accordingly. So if you are pressing the yellow switch, it will go into the forward mode, and in the reverse mode, blue pedal you have to press. Forward and reverse mode. This is how the handpiece will work.